Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pelican sleds are probably one of the most versatile and durable sleds on the market, perfect for hauling gear across snowy landscapes or enjoying a thrilling ride down a snowy hill, and they are surprisingly easy to maneuver, even when carrying a heavy load. Pelican sleds are built to last, able to withstand harsh winter conditions and years of use, making them a worthwhile investment for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Pelican Baby Sled Deluxe. Get ready for winter fun with the all-new Pelican Baby Sled Deluxe. It's designed for ultimate comfort and safety, ensuring your little one enjoys every snowy adventure. The ergonomic seat and high backrest keep your baby warm and cozy. Its wide base provides a smooth ride, even over bumpy terrain. Safety is our top priority. It has a safety belt, reflectors for visibility, and a ventilated weather shield for breathability. The design minimizes the risk of tipping. A long pull rope makes it effortless for you to guide your child through the snow. Enjoy the winter wonderland together. The wide seat and high edges provide exceptional stability. The durable plastic base absorbs shocks for a comfortable ride. The water-repellent cover shields your baby from wind, water, and UV rays. Remember to apply additional sun protection for your child. What we like. It has an ergonomic seat and high backrest, keeping your little one warm and secure. Safety features like a belt and reflectors add peace of mind. If you're looking for a safe and cozy sled for your toddler, this is the perfect choice for winter adventures. What people say. It's very stable, no way to flip it. It has great back support too, he just leans back and enjoys the ride. The waist safety straps add to the overall package. Great quality material. This is a stable, fun sled to pull along on walks. It's nice to have the option to close the tent if the wind kicks up or something. Perfect for pulling on our snow-packed road. Number 4. Pelican Snow Trek 75 Runners. These heavy-duty runners are built to make your work easier. They're designed for the toughest jobs and are simple to install. All mounting hardware is included, making assembly a breeze. Get your sled ready for action quickly and easily. Protect your sled's bottom with these sturdy runners. They significantly reduce wear and tear, extending the life of your investment. These runners are custom designed to fit every 75-inch Pelican multipurpose sled. Ensure a perfect, secure fit every time. Made in Canada, they can withstand even the harshest conditions. Count on them for reliable performance, season after season. The red layer under the white provides a wear indicator. This helps prevent damage to your sled by reminding you when it's time for a replacement. Remember, the Trek 75 sled is sold separately. These are the runners only, designed to enhance your existing sled. Each runner measures 56 inches long. They're a perfect addition to your 75-inch Pelican sled. What we like. These durable runners are built to withstand tough conditions and are super easy to install. The red indicator layer helps prevent sled damage. If you need durable runners for your existing sled, this is a must-have. What people say. Fit perfectly, could easily be used on almost any sled. Thick enough for using embedded bolts instead of screws. Will use to enhance free sled to haul deer, logs, and camping hunting gear when camping on beach short camp. Les lisses de m'entraîneau et trace uses. En les remplaquant avec les lisses d'origine, il est comme neuf. Installation facile et toutes les pieces pour les remplacer sont là. Number 3. Pelican Trek 60 Sled Cover. Protect your valuable gear from the elements with this heavy-duty sled cover. It's built to withstand snow, water, and mud, ensuring your equipment stays safe and dry. Made from high-quality materials, it provides superior protection for your Trek 60 sled. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your gear is secure during any outdoor adventure. Whether you're hunting, fishing, or camping, it's the perfect companion. It keeps your equipment safe and allows you to focus on enjoying your time outdoors. This cover works optimally in snow, water, and mud. It's designed to keep your gear safe and dry, no matter the conditions. Don't leave home without it. It should be at the top of your list when buying sled accessories. It's an investment in the protection of your gear. This cover is designed to safeguard your Trek 60 sled from damage. Note that the sled is sold separately. What we like. This cover is made from high-quality, protective material that shields your gear from snow, water, and mud. It's perfect for various outdoor activities. If you want to protect your sled during outdoor adventures, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I've used this all winter on a sled behind a snowmobile and it's held up great. Fits my Pelican sled perfectly and also seems to be waterproof, so if you want to keep your payload dry or protected from elements at hand. The cover worked great, keep my stuff clear of snow and ice, also protect your stuff from not falling off the sled. Number 2. Pelican KIT Tow Hitch LDT 6075. This heavy-duty tow hitch is designed for easy towing of your utility sled. It's built to last and makes getting your equipment where you need it simple and efficient. It's perfectly compatible with Trek 60 and Trek 75 utility sleds. This ensures a secure and reliable connection every time. The quick release system makes hitching and unhitching your sled a breeze. No more fumbling with complicated connections. It comes with everything you need: 2 hitch brackets, 2 backing plates, and all the necessary hardware for a complete installation. Everything is included for a smooth setup. The double spring-loaded coupler helps absorb shocks during transport, protecting both your sled and your vehicle. This ensures a smoother ride and reduces wear and tear. Get your utility sled where you need it quickly and easily with this handy tow hitch. It's the perfect solution for transporting your equipment. What we like. This tow hitch makes moving your utility sled a breeze, thanks to its quick release system and shock-absorbing design. It's built to last. If you need a reliable way to tow your sled, this hitch is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to install and rugged. If you have a Pelican sled, get this receiver, it's really well built. Fit our Pelican sled perfectly without need to modify anything. Can be easily removed from sled if needed. No rough edges. Came boxed and wrapped with no problems or missing parts. Number 1. Pelican Nomad 40 Sled. It's perfect for hauling gear or for your kids to enjoy winter fun. Its durable design can handle even the toughest conditions. With a 44L capacity and ability to carry up to 90 pounds, it's built to last. The heavy-duty Ram-X material ensures excellent shock resistance. A pull rope makes transporting it easy, and side ropes help secure your cargo. Everything you need is included. Pre-molded HDPE runners provide smooth tracking and extend its lifespan. They're integrated directly into the sled's design for durability. It measures 40 inches long, 22.5 inches wide, and 7 inches high. Weighing only 4.6 pounds, it's easy to handle and transport. Higher walls provide extra security for your belongings or your children while sledding. Enjoy the ride with peace of mind. What we like. It's tough enough for hauling gear or a fun ride down the slopes. It boasts a high weight capacity and convenient features. If you need a versatile sled for various activities, this one is a great option. What people say. Very sturdy, large enough for 2 children. What we like the best is that it is not flat, it is scooped for littles to sit and hang on safely when being pulled or sliding. Should last several years. This is so much better than my old sled as it has a high back and items do not fall off. This product is definitely much thicker than my old one, which cracked over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.